I had a scary moment the other day. Nikki was out of town and I had to come out here in the garage to get my pickleball rackets. I wanted to go play with my friends. And in my organization out here, I have a whole pile of unlabeled bins. So I needed to answer this problem, and I found these cool QR code labels. That's right, they're QR codes you put on your bins, and it syncs up with an app which actually tells you what's in each bin. So let's throw these on, organize them, and see how well it works. So I wanted to share a little bit of the app with you so you had a feel for it. It's obviously sped up, but all you really need to do is you scan the bin, the sticker, you give it a label, you tell it what's inside of it, you take a picture of it, you could take a picture of what's inside of it, you can actually make an inventory of what's inside, and you could say what room and where it is. It's really helpful and worked really well and super easy first shot out. Okay, so you heard the problem. You saw the answer, you saw how well the app works. I think this is absolutely a phenomenal answer. If you have a problem organizing, as my wife would say, your crap in the garage, or even if it's her nice stuff, this really worked very well.